All right, welcome to Carport Gardening. Let's see what's going on with the watermelons. Oh wow, oh we have some fatality. We may have some fatality. Look at this here. Uh-oh, look at this. So we got one watermelon, we got two watermelons. That's just doesn't look like it's doing very well. Look at this one here. This watermelon here doesn't look like it's doing well. Look at this one here. All right, this one here looks like it's doing well. All right. Okay. Withered a little bit here. It's been very, very hot. Yesterday it was over 100. I did put the screen up, but you know, it is what it is, you know, with these plants. Wow, look at this one, family. This watermelon looks like it's thriving. Look at this guy. Look at, he's hugging. He's holding on to his little, the little cage. Over here too. Look at this little guy. Okay, all right. We got some success here. Let's see this guy here. This guy here. Okay, he's hanging in there. He looks good. He looks good. This guy here, it looks good. You know, it's just hot. It's really hot, you know. And this is what's going down. This is what's going down. This one looks like it bent a little bit here, but I can feel the life in these beautiful. See how it dried up because of the weather? That's okay. That's okay. Well, I think we have a chance here that the watermelons may just hang in there. We do have some fatalities down there. Maybe, you know, maybe it just, you know, didn't do well with the watering, or who knows, And here's one of the babies I put in here. He's in there, little baby one. Where's that other? Put another little baby in here. Let's see what that other little baby. Okay, other little baby's in there. So we'll just have to see. Welcome to Carport Gardening, and we are going to transplant my cherry tomato. Look at it. It's just so big. It's outgrown its little pot, and it just needs to be cleaned up. So we got a new pot. We got the Patio Plus. We really got to get this guy because, you know, he's getting big. This cherry tomato plant is getting big. You know, the heat out here, man, it's just so hot. I know a lot of us are having problems keeping things from drying out, but all we can do is do our best to try to, you know, keep our plants in the sweet spot, I call it, a perfect place for it. Yeah, this dirt does look good. Yeah, nice. Yeah, we can see all the roots from the cherry tomato. It is ready to be repotted. We're gonna put it right there. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. Let's see here. Go. Oh, he's gonna be happy in his new home. He's gonna have a bigger place, nicer spot. Okay, these guys are hardy and they will grow for you. They're awesome. Let's put this here. This cage around him. I think this cage will be a good size for this plant. Help him get some stability. Let me see. There we go. In there. There we go. Then in here, bring this down. Let's see if I can put this. This one, man. This one got so big. He's just grabbing and hugging on other plants. This is a happy cherry tomato plant. They should call this one the cherry love, because he was grabbing on my chilies. He's grabbing on his other fellow cherry tomato roommates in here. Man, this guy's just hugging all the different ones. Let's see here. I think this is a perfect plant to have out here in the carport. I think he'll do well here because he has some really good sun. And he'll have some really good shade. Yeah, beautiful. What a beautiful cherry tomato plant. I love plants like this. I know there's somebody saying, man, that plant is crazy. But some of them grow like this. They're growing, and at the same time, it's so hot. That's why it's so important to fertilize. When you fertilize your plants, it helps them fight, straightens them, strengthens them. So I'm gonna clean this up. Clean this up a little bit. Now this is why this comes in handy, right? Because now that we're just repotting and getting our cherry tomato back up to a healthy condition where it's not all over the place, we're going to go ahead and put one of these in its soil. So we're going to water it really good. But I'm going to show you where I put them. Now this is the most sunniest part in the carport. This is where we get the most sun. So I'm going to put the cherry tomato here, because he definitely will get, you know, at least a good, probably 6 hours of some really good sun. But I'm going to go ahead and put one of the singles right in the dirt. We're going to just put it all around. That's right. That's not going to, that will not hurt the dirt, not a bit. Go ahead and put it in there. And they're really good. Because this poor, you know, this poor little cherry tomato plant here has been in the shade and sun, but it's been overly hot. It's been so hot. So this guy here started getting really dry. But, you know, at the same time, he's thriving, right? So we got to help these guys. Look at all the cherries coming up. Look at all the cherries, tomatoes coming up. This guy is a healthy plant, but it was going another direction, right? Because it was getting too big. He needed better support. So we got him in a nicer pot. I put him in a nice sized pot. He looks good. Very nice. Very nice. Give him some nice water. And I have noticed a huge difference with all my fruit trees and also my vegetables. I've noticed a big difference using this insecticidal super soap. I do it in the morning, but that's okay. I'm going to go ahead and spray some on this guy here because he's new to the area, right? So if I'm going to move him to the carport, we don't know what's over here, so we're going to have to give him some relief, and he won't have problems. There we go.